We got booger wipes. And, oh, it's a pencil case. I don't think there's anything in there, hon.
Look at this paper.
That is so cool.
Open.
Nope, that's Ben's.
Can you take this off?
And we got boogie wipes. And crayons.
I'm the
And an
boogie wipe.
elephant card. Or owl. Not elephant, owl. A backpack. A pencil case. And can you hold up your lunchbox? That's right there, yep. It's Thor. Can I see the front of your backpack?
Let's do this.
Spider-Man. Well, that one is very cool. Oh, you
Let's
didn't
do this part.
You didn't do that part? That's a super nice backpack.
There's something in here.
There's something in there? What is it?
Crayons. Little crayons.
Markers. That is nice. What's
Look at coloring shirts.
Oh, it's an art smock. Thank you, Auntie Lola. We've been looking for one. We couldn't find one. Thank you. Now, who do you say thank you to?
Auntie Lola, thank you.
And who else? Uncle Jason.
Uncle Jason, thank you.
And who else?
Sophia, thank you.
That's right. All right, and smile at the camera. Okay. Good job.